Hey, I'm Natalie. I own Bee and the Baker, and we're gonna make a pie today. My favorite part about making pies and baking in general really is just being able to share something with others. Almost every batch I make is handmade. I have more control over it when I do it by hand. For me, flavor is first and foremost, so I want it to taste good, and then from there, that's where the design process comes in. I have a bachelor's degree in imaging science, which is a pretty technical degree. That led me into working in the Seattle parks doing native plant restorations. At a certain point, I just realized that I liked baking more than I liked working in the parks. Baking is definitely both an art and a science. The scientific aspects of baking is getting your ratios right and making sure that things are going to bake up the right way. I do have that scientific background, so that part came easy for me. But the artistic aspect was something that I had to learn. It was not easy for me, and I still don't really consider myself creative. So for me, that means spending more time really thinking through the creative aspect, designing my pies and trying to visualize them before getting started. My designs don't always work out the way I expect them to, but then I just take that failure as a lesson for what pie dough is capable of for the next pie that I might take on. I find inspiration everywhere. Looking at textures and textiles and shadows. Yellow is my favorite color, so I wanted to incorporate yellow somehow on this pie. So ginger, turmeric, apple is where I started with this, and I realized that kind of was a golden milk pie, so I played into that and added a little bit of black pepper as well. Theo chocolate is actually one of my favorite local businesses. I really love using whole, natural, fresh ingredients. Theo really shares the same values that I do. This is Bee. She is everything to me. My husband teases me because I say that she is the love of my life, which is true. Sorry, Trav. She can definitely tell when I'm frustrated in the kitchen. She will come in and give me a little nudge, and that's when I know it's time to take a break. So we'll go and take a little walk and thank you. Come back feeling refreshed.